So firstly, I think they've got the name wrong actually of the course. It shouldn't be practical implantology. They missed a word. It should be bespoke practical implantology, because I think what this course is very different. They tailor the course according to your weaknesses, your strengths, and they identify that from the very early on. And when you go on the course, they make sure that they push you in the right direction according to your strengths and your weaknesses. And obviously my weakness was coming in. I've got a surgical background, but what I don't have is what these guys have, is all the restorative background. So they've given me that confidence and told me where I need to go going forward. And I understand that I do a bit of teaching myself in hospital, and I know that you have to be very, very patient. It's an extremely important part of teaching. And these three tutors and mentors, and what I call friends now, are extremely patient with all of us. And never once do they look stressed or had a frown on or crease on their forehead. They are incredibly caring and considerate. And as I said, they are friends, and hopefully friends for life. So I just want to say thank you to all three of them. They're individually very different as well. So we learn from them in different ways, which is very, very unique. You see how they do things differently. So we're not only getting one tutor, we're getting kind of three for the price of one, which I think is a really good part of the course. Also, thank you to everyone behind the scenes who have looked after us. We've never felt hungry. We've never felt upset, tired, or homesick. We've been looked after, amazingly well. So thank you to all of you. And of course, lastly, to Michelle as well, thank you to Michelle, and to all my colleagues who have been fantastic in supporting me throughout the time on the course. And I look forward to working with them in the future and helping them out. If they've got any complex oral surgery cases they want to run by me, I'm happy to give them a hand. And I hope they can help me with the restorative stuff. So. Thank you.